Hi guys, this is the Rider Wave Anubis introduction on how to use it. If you see this, you probably have installed it and you know how to install. I'm gonna go over initially over the input because that's important. If you double click here, then that's the scale. The first one is the scale for the panel. If this is, let's say, 1.25, that's way too large, but if it is, and you hit OK and close, your panel is now 25% larger. Uh, if if it so happened that this is the fonts are small or large, you can scale the fonts as well. Let's say you can make him 1.0.9. That will shrink him down a little bit. That will make him smaller. Now that template is too large for my screen, but you know, I'm gonna go to 1 just to show you. And you can move it anywhere. Of course, it starts here when you first set it up. It's just because if you click on this one here, I don't know if you see this because I'm only recording the window, so you may not be seeing. But you can set it up so this one always on this side. It ends here, the charts. I couldn't find a way to make it transparent like the other original graphics. I will keep looking, see if I can make this transparent so you can still see the chart. I haven't been able to do that yet. Let's continue on. That's color. You can choose the color for your text, any color you want. If you want it red, sharing, starting daily balance. That's if you want this daily here to be correct. You know, key in you where did you start the daily. Okay, close all trades. That's this one. If it turns off, then this will not work. It will give you a warning, an alert to say it's off. Do you want me to turn it on? If you say yes, it will turn it on. Then you can close. A close line for exit. That's for like exit strategy. If you wanted to step out of your computer and you want a line over there whereby it will close everything if it reaches that line. Kind of like plan C. Break even line, it will show break even line. Right now it's just the break even for the current. I can add the daily as well if you guys want it. The end of a wave, if you are in a wave, it will send you an alert that it ended if this is on. Maximum number of trades, you can change the maximum. Yeah, it will secure your trades once in profit. 3 layers. A layer is set to 0.5 of your price cycle. You can make that 0.4 or 0.6 or whatever. That will be your layer off of your price cycle. It starts with manual, but you can start anywhere on the 3 different modes, and that's the default for Euro USD. It seems to be reasonable. You can change it with the input. You can change that anywhere between 2 and 3. And the volume, of course, the daily, and so on. Right now, these do not have any impact on you on the program. The intent is to like maybe stop or close everything if you reach one of them. These features have not been activated yet, and David hasn't made up his mind on what does he prefer. This is the scale for the tablet again. My screen size 1280. If you enlarge this number, the tablet will get smaller. Let's say if you got 1000, it depends on your resolution, then it will be smaller, actually bigger, because I changed the color to red. So I will put the I like I like yellow better. But you can make it white if you want to as well. White works better dark. Uh, with dark might work. And I don't want it 1000. Let's say if you make that 1500, then it gets smaller. So it works on the other way. It's divided by, so it makes it smaller. So you have the screen size or pixels. You also have this here. Both of them will together, combined together, will make the actual size of the panel, the actual size of the font. The font works separately. Sort of. It does use the scale for the panel at first, and then you can enlarge it or reduce it beyond that. So it automatically, when you enlarge the panel, it enlarges the font. But if that messes things up, you can then scale the font separate. The last two here, you can play a sound if you want an alert, but that's annoying. But you can, if it reaches between 2 and 3 on the breakout, it will send you an alert and a beep sound if that's what you want. Then you get sound as well. Magneto is turned on by default. You can turn it off, then it won't work. And this one is something that some of you use, especially like Duke. He runs in a 2 trades at a time. One trade is an open take profit, the other one at 2 pips. So this is false at first, but if you make this true, then as soon as you hit a trade, even manual or so, there will be 2 trades triggered, one at 0 or at the take profit that you set up here. The other one will be automatically at 2 pips or 1 ATR. Let's say you are in a 5-minute chart or a 15-minute chart. 2 pips doesn't mean nothing. It's 1 ATR, or it will be half of the pullback. Example, if and in the past 10 candles, like in these candles, if you enter a trade here for buy, so it's not 2 pips, it will measure this as 6 pips. They will put the take profit here for the second trade if that's what you did. That's basically the rundown through the input parameters. I will make other videos for each of the 3 modes, so they are smaller videos.